Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's all about taking care of our precious eyes. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of nourishing foods that can help protect and repair your vision. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the delicious details, let's quickly discuss why health is so important. Our eyes are our windows to the world, and maintaining their well-being is crucial for a vibrant and healthy life. Now, let's move on to the good stuff, the foods that can make a real difference. Foods for vision protection. Our first category of foods focuses on protecting our eyes from various environmental factors and daily stressors. These foods are like shields for our vision. So what are they? Number 1. Berries and citrus fruits. Rich in antioxidants, berries and citrus fruits can help protect our eyes from oxidative stress. These little powerhouses can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, known for promoting eye health. Let's make them a regular part of our meals. Foods for vision repair. Now, let's shift our focus to foods that can actively contribute to repairing and maintaining the health of our eyes. Number 1. Omega-3 rich foods. Fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These can play a crucial role in the structure of our eye cells, supporting repair and regeneration. Number 2. Carrots and sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange veggies are high in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision. Plus, they're delicious. And there you have it, our guide to nourishing foods for vision protection and repair. Remember, taking care of your eyes can be a delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Feast your eyes on good health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.